Hello dear students, so now today we would move ahead in the second chapter of class 10 science, that is acids, bases and salts. So today we would be discussing some questions here on the basis of topics which we have discussed earlier. So these are the questions which you just try yourself first if you are able to do. I think we have all discussed all these questions here. We have discussed, okay, in the topics which you have discussed. So there are all these answer you would get there. Okay, just try to solve the questions on your own. Okay, pause the video and try to solve it. Okay, now let's see. Question is, what colors do the following indicators turn when added to a base? These are the indicators which have been given to you. These three indicators: methyl orange, litmus and red cabbage extract. These are the three indicators has been given to you. So the question is, what colors do the following indicator turn when added to a base or alkali? So when you are adding these three indicators to a base or alkali, both are same. We have discussed this. Okay, so when you are adding these three indicators to a base, so what colors it would give? Just tell me. If you are adding methyl orange to a base means like sodium hydroxide NaOH, which have OH negative ions, we would call it as the base, isn't it? So if you are just adding methyl orange to a basic solution to a base, okay, so what color it would give? Can you tell me? We have discussed this. Yes, it would give yellow color, isn't it? So when you are adding methyl orange to a basic solution or to an alkali solution, so it is going to give the yellow color. And at the same time, when you are adding litmus to a base or alkali, which color it would give? We have just discussed. It would give blue color, isn't it? And when you are adding red cabbage extract to a basic solution, again it would give which one color? Green color. That you have to know. Okay, now the next question is, what colors do the following indicators turn when added to an acid? So these two indicators has been given to you. So when you are adding these two indicators to an acid, now to an acid, and earlier case we were adding the indicators to a basic solution. Now you are adding the indicators to an acidic solution, acid. Let's say we have the hydrochloric acid, HCl. So when you are adding litmus and methyl orange to acidic solution, so which color it would give? So if you are adding litmus there, so it would give which color? Red color. So it gives red color in case of the acid. And methyl orange would give, in this one case, when you are adding methyl orange to a base, it is giving yellow color. And when you are adding this methyl orange to an acid, so it would give again the red color, isn't it? So this is how you would solve. Question number next, try it. Just look here. Name an indicator which is red in acid solution but turns blue in basic solution. Which indicator is this? You have an indicator and which is red in acid solution. If you just add it in acid solution, it would turn red. But when you are adding it to basic solution, it would turn the basic solution into blue. So which indicator is this? Yes, just now we have discussed litmus. If you see litmus, when you are adding it to a basic solution, it turn blue. When you are adding the litmus to an acidic solution, it is turning it into red color. So such an indicator is which one indicator? Litmus. So answer would be litmus, isn't it? Getting it or not? Okay, just note it down. Few more questions are here. Question number next is, name an indicator which is pink in alkaline solution but turns colorless in acidic solution. You have an indicator. When you are adding this one indicator to an alkaline solution, alkaline solution means basic solution. Okay, so you have an indicator. When you are adding this indicator to a basic solution, so it would turn this basic solution into pink. Okay, but if you just add this indicator to another solution, that is acidic solution. Okay, so if you are adding it there, it would remain colorless. So here it is colorless and here it is pink. You have an indicator. If you are adding it in alkaline solution, so it is pink. Now you have a same indicator is there and you are adding this into another solution which is acidic solution, so here it is colorless. So which one indicator is this? That you have to tell. Okay, name an indicator which is pink in alkaline solution but turns colorless in acidic solution. Which one indicator is this? We have discussed all these indicators. Yes, answer is phenolphthalein. Isn't it? Phenolphthalein is the answer here. Just write the answer. Phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein. Isn't it? So phenolphthalein is an indicator which would turn basic solution into pink and would turn acidic solution into colorless. Okay. Next question. When a solution is added to a cloth strip, you have a solution and you have a cloth strip like this one. Cloth strip, you know, cloth. Yes, the cloth which you are wearing, that is the strip. Just tear it, you have a strip of the cloth. Okay, so you have a solution and you are adding some amount of the solution in the in the cloth strip. Now just like a paste. Okay, you have the solution here and you are adding it to a cloth strip. So here you have added this solution now. Okay, now what you are doing? Treated with onion extract. Now you have some onion. Okay, means the juice of onion, you can say. Okay, the extract from the onion, some extract from the onion you take. Okay, you have the cloth strip where you have added the solution. Here you have a solution. Okay, so this one solution is added to this one cloth strip. Okay, now what you are doing? You have some extract of the onion extract is here. Now what you are doing? You are treating this onion extract here. Now you are just adding this onion extract here. Earlier if you see, you just smell the onion, so onion would be having some smell. Okay, now if you treating the onion here in this one cloth strip, so the onion loses its smell. This is the question. The smell of the onion cannot be detected. So state whether the solution is acidic solution or basic solution. The solution which you have added to the cloth strip. So which one solution is this? Whether this is acidic solution or a basic solution. Now if you see again, let me tell you. You have the solution, you have the cloth strip, you are adding the solution to a cloth strip now. Okay. Okay. Now what you are doing? In this one cloth strip, you are just adding some onion extract. You have onion. Okay. Just rub this onion here now. Like this. You have onion, rub this onion here. Okay. Now if you see, the onion loses its smell. You cannot smell the onion now here. The onion which you have rubbed here. So again, the onion is losing its smell. You cannot smell the onion. So which one solution you have added in this one cloth strip so that the smell of the onion has been lost? So which one solution was added there in the cloth strip? We have discussed there in the case of the olfactory indicators. So when you have olfactory indicators such as, which one in olfactory indicator? Like onion. So onion is an olfactory indicator. So when you are adding onion to a basic solution, so it loses its smell. And when you are adding onion to acidic solution, it would not lose its smell. Okay. So it means which one solution was that? Basic solution was that. Okay. So answer would be, the solution is base here. Isn't it? Getting it or not? So that is how you would give the answer of the given questions here. Okay. Just note it down. Now here again you have the next question. Question is, when a solution is added to vanilla extract is again an indicator. It's an olfactory indicator. We have discussed there two olfactory indicators there. Onion extract and vanilla extract. Isn't it? So vanilla extract is also an olfactory indicator. Okay. There you by smell. When it loses its smell in some solution. Suppose you are adding vanilla extract to, you have two solution here. You are adding, let's say this is base and this is acid. Okay. You are adding vanilla extract to basic solution and you are adding vanilla extract to acidic solution. So vanilla extract would lose its smell in case of basic solution, and its smell would be there in case of the acidic solution. If you just add this vanilla extract here, so smell would remain there. But if you add this vanilla extract here in case of the basic solution, so it loses its smell. Okay. So similar question is here. Question is, when a solution is added to vanilla extract, you have a solution, you are adding it to vanilla extract. Okay. Then the characteristic smell of the vanilla extract cannot be detected. Means the vanilla extract loses its smell. So state whether the given solution is acid or base. Which one solution is this? Yes, answer is base. Isn't it? So you have the answer here, base. So the solution is base, because In case of the vanilla, in case of the basic solution, vanilla extract losing its smell. Like in case of the onion also loses its smell when you are adding it to basic solution, isn't it? Because these are the olfactory indicators. You are smelling it, isn't it? So that is all for today. Would be discussing some more questions of this chapter in the upcoming video. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you. Have a good day.